The Nikon Z8 was a significant milestone in the mirrorless camera market, praised for its compact form factor and high-end features inherited from the flagship Nikon Z9. However, its journey was not without hurdles, as early overheating issues led to recalls and concerns over thermal management. As Nikon prepares to unveil the Nikon Z8 II, there is great anticipation regarding how it will address past limitations and introduce groundbreaking innovations to elevate the user experience. The Z8 II has the potential to redefine professional and enthusiast photography, setting new benchmarks in performance and reliability, enhancing thermal management for extended recording. One of the most pressing issues with the original Nikon Z8 was its overheating concerns, particularly during prolonged video recording sessions in 8K and high frame rate 4K. The compact design, while excellent for portability, constrained heat dissipation, leading to thermal throttling. With the Nikon Z8 II, Nikon has the opportunity to implement a more advanced cooling system. Potential solutions could include better internal heat dissipation channels, external modular cooling accessories, or even an active cooling mechanism similar to what we've seen in cinema cameras. These improvements would enable videographers to push recording limits while retaining the compact design that made the Z8 so popular. Improved battery life for extended shoots. Battery performance was another area where the Z8 fell short, especially for video professionals who needed extended shooting times. The YEN-EL 15C battery was effective for general photography, but lacked the endurance needed for intensive 8K or high FPS 4K recording. The Nikon Z8 II could greatly benefit from a more efficient power system, possibly introducing a brand new battery design with higher capacity. Another solution could be the option for an external battery grip, extending operational time significantly. Additionally, Nikon could implement power-saving modes to optimize energy consumption, ensuring photographers and videographers get the most out of every charge. Advanced autofocus with AI-powered enhancements. The original Z8's autofocus system was praised for its deep learning subject tracking, but improvements in speed, accuracy, and adaptability are always welcome. The Nikon Z8 II could introduce enhanced AI-driven autofocus capabilities, allowing for more precise subject tracking in complex environments. This would be particularly beneficial for wildlife, sports, and portrait photographers. Expanding the range of customizable focus modes, including user-defined tracking behaviors, would enable photographers to tailor autofocus performance to their specific needs. Better low-light autofocus performance could also make the Z8 II a superior choice for event photography and astrophotography, refining the build and ergonomics. The Nikon Z8 was built with a magnesium alloy and carbon fiber body, ensuring durability but adding to the weight. While it was lighter than the Z9, it still felt bulkier than competing cameras like the Canon EOS R5 and Sony A7 RV. The Nikon Z8 II could explore the use of more advanced materials to reduce weight without compromising on robustness. Nikon could also refine the ergonomics of the camera, making it more comfortable for extended use. Weather sealing should remain a top priority, ensuring the Z8 II can withstand the toughest shooting conditions. Upgraded connectivity and data transfer. The dual USB-C ports on the Z8 were a welcome addition, allowing for simultaneous data transfer and power delivery. Nikon could take this a step further in the Z8 II by introducing faster data transfer protocols and integrated wireless connectivity for seamless tethering and live streaming. This would be a game-changer for professional workflows, allowing photographers to transfer large files quickly and efficiently. Additionally, upgrading the card slots to support the latest CF Express standards would ensure that the Z8 II remains future-proof for high-speed, high-capacity media storage. Enhancements to the electronic viewfinder and display. The Nikon Z8's electronic viewfinder, EVF, and rear OLED screen were highly praised for their clarity and responsiveness, with a 120 Hz refresh rate providing a near-seamless experience. However, some users expressed a desire for an even higher resolution, particularly in the EVF, for a more immersive and detailed preview. The Z8 II could benefit from a higher resolution EVF with enhanced brightness and color accuracy, making it more versatile for both studio and outdoor shooting. Additionally, introducing a fully articulating rear screen would address a common request from videographers and vloggers, adding more flexibility to the camera's usability. Competitive pricing strategy. The original Nikon Z8 was positioned as a more affordable alternative to the flagship Z9, making it accessible to a broader audience. Maintaining a similar pricing strategy with the Z8 II will be crucial for its success. While new features and enhancements may justify a slight price increase, Nikon must carefully balance cost and value to remain competitive. An expected price point of around $3,999 would position the Z8 II as an attractive option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Expanding video capabilities. The Nikon Z8 already delivered impressive video performance, but the Z8 II could push boundaries even further. Expanding video codecs and frame rate options, such as 8K at 120 FPS and 4K at 240 FPS, would make the Z8 II a top-tier hybrid camera. Nikon could also introduce advanced in-camera editing tools and computational photography enhancements, such as AI-driven noise reduction, focus stacking, and real-time HDR processing. These features would appeal to a tech-savvy audience looking for an all-in-one photography and videography solution. Setting the benchmark for 2026. Looking ahead to 2026, the Nikon Z8 II has the potential to redefine the hybrid camera market. By addressing past shortcomings and introducing cutting-edge features, Nikon can create a camera that meets the evolving needs of photographers and videographers. Enhanced autofocus, superior thermal management, better battery life, and refined ergonomics will make the Z8 II a compelling choice for professionals seeking reliability and versatility. Nikon also has the opportunity to integrate innovative new features that differentiate the Z8 II from its competitors. Features like AI-assisted scene recognition, smart exposure control, and expanded in-camera creative modes could add an extra layer of value. If Nikon listens to user feedback and stays ahead of technological trends, the Z8 II could become one of the most well-rounded mirrorless cameras on the market. Final thoughts. The Nikon Z8 II represents an exciting opportunity for Nikon to not only address the challenges of its predecessor, but also to push the boundaries of what's possible in a high-performance mirrorless camera. Whether you're a professional photographer capturing high-speed action, a videographer creating cinematic masterpieces, or an enthusiast exploring the art of photography, the Z8 II could be the tool that inspires your next creative breakthrough. What features are you hoping to see in the Nikon Z8 II? Share your wish list in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching Technology in the Future.